Hey everybody, this is going to be the final for the Mopar or All Mopar Group Build that has been going on for a little while. A little late getting this one done, but it's done now, so I'm pretty happy about that. I didn't add all the details I would want to. I didn't wire the engine. So this kit is pretty much, well, I'd say it is a box stock kit. Really didn't do anything different than the instructions said. I didn't modify nothing or anything like that. But it's a nice car. It's a nice build. So being box stock, there ain't nothing wrong with that. I did the headlights. I did the pair in the amber colors. As you can see there, that's just the Tamiya clear yellow. And I also got the fog lights in there, clear with the little chrome tip in the center that they actually molded in. You can see I did the whiskers in flat black. I did glue these on before I even painted anything on this body to make that a lot stronger and lined up better. I didn't want to have super glue everywhere. The turn signals I did not paint. I kind of wanted to, and then I thought, well, I'll just do it by the decals. They look fine by the decals. I also looked on the box and all that, and I didn't see that chrome, so I didn't chrome it. So that detail's a little different. For the side chrome, or the windshield chrome and all that, this is the Molotov chrome pen on these, on the trim. On the bottom is bare metal foil. Sometimes you just can't get rid of that good stuff. In my opinion, that's still the best. The hood pins are Molotov pen. They're so pointy that would have been pretty hard to bare metal foil. Right, so more onto the back. So on the turn signals and brake lights, those are decals. I put the decals in there. I was going to paint, but I changed my mind. I also, once I put these on the chrome, I'd have a hard time with decals sticking to chrome. I put a little layer of high gloss Mod Podge over it. And two reasons for that is to give it a protective coating and to kind of give it a glossier look, so it kind of looks like a lens. If you look here versus here, you can see there's some nice reflective chrome or shine to it, and you got the dull look of a flat logo there. So I also did protect the license plate as well. I've had models in the past, you get them done and then you touch them and then all of a sudden the license plates fall right off because it was on the chrome. So I changed that as well. And the wheels still roll. It's kind of like a toy almost. Down here on the bottom, got a little bit of light in here. So I did a little bit of weathering on the bottom. It still look kind of like a new car. So these are just got a little bit of heated and a little tiny bit of surface rust. Here you got a little bit of dirt and some sand, and then a little bit on the bottom. So it is not a heavy weathered vehicle. Like I said, I kind of wanted it to have the newer look, but even on a new car you're going to have some dirt and debris washed up on the bottom. So I also try to get as much detail underneath in all these. I mean, they give you nice separate pieces, so I might as well make them put the most detail I can into that part of it. And for the engine, I'll have to move you a little bit. Hopefully I don't make you sick. I might cut it out. So like I said, I didn't do no wiring. Kind of getting a little lazy. It's all about being fun. If it starts being like work, who wants to do it, right? But there was some room in there. I could have did some wiring, but taking a little break on that on the last two models. So then you have the air system underneath. I could have probably painted this right here orange, but didn't do that. And also keeping this loose. I think I'm going to start doing that on my models. That way you can see the carbs and that. Take the air filter off. I did find some super small magnets that I might start putting on that part of the cars. And that way they stick to it. They don't just fall off. But that is my All Mopar Group Build. That was the 71 Plymouth GTX made by Monogram. So this one was a Revell one, because this box was 2012. Very good kit. If you guys like this car, I suggest trying to find it before they're impossible to find, because it went together really well. It was a very well designed kit, and it's going to look well with my other Mopars. Until next time, you guys have a good one.